So here we are looking at the Bet365 roundabout using our drone from around about 280 feet above. Okay, so first of all, if you notice on the right side, upper right, that's normally where you'll be coming from on a test route, from the A34, from the test centre, following the signs for A50. So what you'll notice is on the roundabout there are 3 lanes all marked A50. But on the approach to the roundabout, as we're about to see now, you will see normally coming up from the A34 you will be in this lane. You'll have a lane to your right and a lane to your left A50, but you can't get into that because there's a solid white line. So once you enter the roundabout, it's really important to stay in your lane, which will be that middle lane. So as you come off the roundabout, you are in the middle lane. It's the vehicles on your right that will sometimes move over. Just be aware of them. Once you're on the A50, then you can move over to your left into your left lane to come off or carry on down to Longton. Okay, so what I've done now is I have slowed down the film so you can see. So if you take a look at the vehicle on the inside of the roundabout, okay, he's coming up to the exit, but what he does is he moves across into the middle lane. Rather than going on further, he comes off into that middle lane, which isn't a problem here because there's no one behind him. As long as he's checked your mirrors, all good. But it does seem like a lot of vehicles get confused here and come off in the wrong lane. So again, as it gets busier, I've slowed it down again. Take a look at the vehicle in the inside of the roundabout and what they do. Some keep in that left lane, they go further, in the right lane and go further, so they're in the right lane. But others are here cutting across, okay? So you can see some of them just cut across right into that middle lane. Hopefully using their mirrors, but that's where the issue can be, right? So we really hope these videos help. Good luck with your driving.